Hey guys, before the video begins, I just want to say a real sincere thank you to everyone who's been following me on Twitter and YouTube. I can't believe 4 days ago I had 40 subscribers or something, and now I have over 350. The support and the people of taking interest in what I'm talking about has just been such a blessing, and I'm so happy you're here. So I'm going to start the video now. It's going to do the intro, whatever, but I just want to say thank you so much at the very beginning. Today we're going to be taking a look at how much you can make potentially per month playing Cryptoblades with the new earnings calculator that they introduced into the game. Such a cool feature, and for one good reason. It is the best marketing they will ever get, is being able to calculate on day one how much you're going to make and what length of time it will take to get your money back. This is the best marketing I've ever seen for a game because it's not an ad, it's just telling people how much they're going to make, and that's word of mouth. Everyone is going to be telling their friends, oh, I'm making this amount of money, and more people will come to the game. So this is genius. They haven't introduced too much stuff into the game. Don't get me wrong, they're introducing a lot. They're updating the game pretty fast. Good job on the dev team. But I mean, in terms of features, this is a good one to enter as soon as possible. So we're going to go through it right now. I'm going to input. I have 4 Earth characters, 2 30s and 2 10s. But for the sake of this video, we're going to assume all of these are level 31. Because I'll be level 31 tomorrow on these guys, and these guys won't be too far behind. So by the time the end of the month comes around, these guys will be 41, these guys will be 31, and it'll average out to be about 31 for the whole team. So we're going to do that, okay? So up here, you just click Earnings Calculator. So up here, you just click Earnings Calculator, and it brings up this dashboard. So you got to pick what element your character is. Mine is Earth, all 4 are Earth. We're going to pick 31. So you just click down at 31. So earnings calculator, it's all still filled out. 5-star element is Earth, so it matches the stats. The first one is power, second one is strength, and the last one is power as well. So you just drag up what to match. 296, like that. Strength is 357, 357, like that. And the last one is 322. So we'll type this one in. 322. Now I have bonus power on this weapon of 120 because I did do reforging on it. So bonus power 120. Now I'm going to hit calculate, and we're going to find out how much this character will win if I only have 1 character or if I have 4 characters. So let's go. Boom. There's the results. So right now, skill is currently worth $29.83. It's actually on the low for the day. So it was higher. It was hovering around $34 all day. So, I mean, if after a month's time, after 1 month is over, it's still 29, that would be a great deal. Because it can go up and it can go down, but if it just stays level at 30, that's such good ROI. That's such a good return on your investments in the game. So let's take a quick look. I'm going to assume, let's just assume for argument's sake, every single character, all 4, lose 1 battle a day, which is unlikely. Most of the time I'll lose 1 battle between all 4 characters because it's a level 5 sword. I think it helps out a little bit. But yeah, so daily profit for having 1 loss, 37.79. So just this account, my account is currently pulling in, if we hover around $30 of skill for the whole month, and we lose a fight every day on every character, $4,534. Best case scenario, I win all of them and it goes up to even $32 again. It will be $5,000. Guys, before you go, make sure to subscribe because I will be making a video on my DeFi pets, crypto beasts, and also my top 5 picks for cryptocurrencies for play to earn in the year to come. So let's look forward to that. Hit subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.